Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're showing you this beautiful, pristine 80-gallon Lee kettle with a 2 horsepower lightning mixer on it, operating at 220 volts. Pristine condition out of pharmaceutical service. Of course, as a lot of you know, it's less taxing in that industry than some others. You'll see inside, you can actually see the phantom marks on the unicoil type jacket on the upper section. 2 large 3-blade propellers, of course. Nice little fold down cover. Fits very nicely with these Destaco lockdown clamps. Great to have. And you'll see the little bolt right here. It has a couple little bumpers on the inside, which is actually a nice idea. Little swing close cover here if you're not using the mixer. It's a Leeson Speedmaster AC frequency controller. Gonna hit start, and you can see from there we're running at just 16 hertz. We'll turn it up for you. It's a pretty good size prop, probably something a little thicker was being used. Does have the flush seating valve. The Sepco flush seating valve, great brand. It's actually a pinch type valve, sanitary. The piping we normally will remove. I like to see people put new piping on, but this is in such perfect condition, all working great. Nice, good, thorough agitation, even at about what is about 1/4 of its capacity, or 1/3 of its capacity. I'm going to show you that a little bit, though. Mixer, of course. I'm going to turn up the speed. You'll see they crawl up slowly, and as it starts to accelerate, so there's up to 25 hertz. So this may make a little bit of splash. You see, even it's actually pulling some air from the top. Everything working great. We also have the U1 filing on this for you. So thanks for joining us for this video today. We hope to hear from you. Please visit our site at www.champtrading.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today.